everybody, I'm Kier here and welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you simple steps how you can find someone's IP on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open TikTok on your device. After that, simply go to your profile. From the profile icon that you will see at the bottom of your screen at the right hand side, and now go to your following list from your profile that you will see at the option that says following. After you are onto that page, you will see the people that you have followed. And now suppose I want to see the IP address of this account right here. TikTok doesn't allow us to view IP address of another user due to some privacy, since TikTok is built with its high privacy, so this doesn't allow us to see the IP address. But what you can do is you can have access to their any links that they have shared on their profile, their Instagram, maybe their YouTube or any other links, so you can't have direct access to someone's IP on TikTok. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe our channel. If you have any questions or comments regarding our videos, please feel free to drop them down. I will be highly appreciated, and hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And that's it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.